Now being loaded, racing just is started. We have the Angbakal Peter's Pride rushing about the outside is hidden. Moment is Storm Apo is running by the rail. Then next in line is Standout Reigning Jewel 10-17. Directors Donya Sweet Felicia is running by the rail Pangarap. While Now and Forever is the early trailer racing down the backstretch. We have Hidden Moment by about 2 lengths, and in second is number 10 Peter's Pride, then followed now by Storm Apo. Moving up, the Angbakal Reigning Jewel comes next is Standout Danori inside Pangarap 10-17. Moving up on the outside, Sweet Felicia comes next. Directors Donya, While Now and Forever is still racing in 11th. And at the fourth turn, we have Hidden Moment, Peter's Pride now trying to get closer in second. Reigning Jewel, then here it comes 10-17 now arriving at the Sinsos with the Angbakal. Storm Apo comes next, Pangarap, then followed by Standout. Sweet Felicia comes next, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Hidden Moment by about 2 lengths, running by the release Reigning Jewel, Peter's Pride, and on the outside port is 10-17. Last 75 meters, we have Hidden Moment this time by about 2 lengths, and finally Hidden Moment, Reigning Jewel 10-17. Then comes Peter's Pride. Oh, there was a spill. Now and Forever, RJC Tabor.
For our race number 1, only the third favorite, no? For our third favorite po, 11 horse, Hidden Moment, Bander. Ang tapos, ginabayan ni John Alvin Guse, Mas Segundo 7, Reigning Jewel, 9, 10, 17, at just po natin si Peter's Pride. Medyo nabitin tayo sa ating